Matemo manene ayo nyarka baga sokali tukuri chuma anjo nyarka baga bwatu kwa kurwase umachi Eldoret county ya Uasin Gishu wethira somo wasiri wechisemi umosike Julius Migosi ogamba kubwatikana amo na matemo ayo nigo chiskuru ao chiri chimanyikete buna chinge kurwase county Nyamira chigante kwa kara matemo ayo ase chigatia gosegatia abo chanyata kwa chigo kolye bya muna elia ya na SDA yo gotoka imeye ward ya township imeye bunge ya West Mugirango gatie chinde chinyinge munagotumye mulikito fatikari Gisemba
Nege kone ekikiaene kiwa ase skuru ya secondary ya Gesore PAG eyo konya ya korire emiaka 5 etanya koira umworokiwa onde bwenzi ase university kurende nigo entundeye yaira aborokiwa 25 noyomo kurwase aborokiwa 35 noyomo abo bakorete amatemwa ayo.
When I came in 2023, I found the mean of 2022 was 3.6. In 2023, it was dived and came back to 1.7. And now 2024, we made the mean to move from 1.7 to 4.3. Now this year we are in 6.7. But still it's an history for the school. Since 2018, we have not taken any students to university.
Agokwanira enjira basonsorete omuchando bwaborokiwa gutatuka ekirasi ime egento keirirete amatokeo ayo amaya.
But when we came to realize the real problems was at home and some students could not eat at home, I approached the MP of the area and told him about the problem about absenteeism. He asked me how we could intervene. I told him to build a dormitory for the girls. So now we have a full-fledged dormitory for the girls and full-fledged dormitory for the boys. And now we said Form 4 is compulsory. We tried the 2024, we tried 2025. Now is the one we just brought these results. The students have been here, they have enough time to read, they have the lights and everything. The MB of the area has helped out with the bursaries. We thank him so much. He has made us move this far.
Bono guchimate togoteba ng'endo mweri abamura tukagirite ni mbura ngochiere gotwa nebwate some leaks ariri bakorika chi emergency esa mang'ana ya development bainyora this is school as the first wenete koewa first priority aseng'enjo erietandire bagokwana na most improved school nere yekoro kung'ang'aki Gesore.
Katotigarete imeye bunge eyeiga ya West Mugirango nigo eskuru ya Kiang'inda eyo egotoka imeye ward ya Busamaro eyo etabwati enyumba yobomenyo ase aborokiwa bakorara kurende yabeire gegokorya buya omwaka oyo mogochia oyonde ase amatemwa manene aeta nigo yaikia emin ya kianda nukta enoti na aborokiwa bonsi emia eyemo na 52 bakanyora bagario kogenda university nonya eskuru eyeiga yagendereire kwenekia amatokeo ayeiga maya nigo bare no muchando bwa mache nabo igo chipara chingia echo chigoika ase eskuru eyo egento basabire abarai babakonye erio kubaroiseria.
Changamoto ambazo tuko nazo, moja ni ya maji. Tunategemea maji ya mvua na wakati huu wa kiangazi itakuwa changamoto kidogo. Alafu tunahitaji pia staff house, maana tukiwa na dormitory mpaka kukuwe na mahali ambapo mwalimu anaweza kaa shuleni.
Bono sana para gekurukuru tinga ya gocha gochi magombo pare yo gutume kuna abantu abange igona kuburia barai bari boskantene pare yo sana gekunete abachumbe kegere yotoro mubaga nari kuburia umuchumbe kuru kitutu masaba no kuru West Mugirango elinda nyari kubwatara banyari korosie pare nabyo konya asoba sombi gochese school.
Kingo reporter Gatembe koraiga imeye county ya Nyamira Jeff Atikad Gisemba.